And welcome back to how to create a Pascal's triangle using Excel. Today we're going to create the V shape of ones. Of course, we could do a Pascal's triangle that's just all the ones down the left-hand side, but we're more familiar writing it this way, and it's more fun this way, in my opinion. So let's take a look at what we're going to do. We're going to make a good use of this button here just the one time. I'm just highlighting it in case during the following steps it goes by too fast. So here we go. I'm just going to play it out. We're going to highlight two cells near the top and merge and center, and then highlight the rest of the row, copy, paste. Now we've got one row, and we're going to offset. Notice we're offsetting, and now we're going to paste again. There we have two rows offset. We're going to highlight those two rows and highlight or copy those two rows and highlight then all the way down and paste. And now we have a nice brick wall. Then we pick a spot near the middle and type our first one. Because we are now offset, we can't really do a fill down. So I don't know any other way to do this but manually. But as you can see, it doesn't take very long. And then we'll do the right-hand side, over to the right, down, right, down, right, down, right, down, whoops, and then right down, right, down. And there we have our V shape of ones. So we've done all the setup, and next time we're going to fill in the blanks, and that's when the fun will begin.